This is the mall, Wanbo, in the downtown area of Baoding. We can zoom in and look at that beautiful lighting tunnel, and that's Way, which is a local car company. Look at the beautiful city, and we have a lighting tower right there. Wow. So let's have a walk, guys. Let's have a walk. That looks really cool. We got a Starbucks here. Starbucks coffee. All of these are some companies that are in, most of the brands. Huawei, Apple, Xiaomi, Converse, Royce, Uniqlo, ambience. Yeah, free advertisement. You should find me and just say 谢谢. That will be enough. Right. Wow, wow, wow. This is just like an evening walk, right? Evening walk. Wow. This has to be the tallest building in Baoding.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. Whoa. This looks sick. I think this is where we entered from, right? Oh no, we came from the parking
Came
lot.
from north.
I keep forgetting. This looks like the lights in a carnival. Right in front of the mall, we have some kids just playing basketball, having a good time. Yo, Wanbo hotpot is very famous. Like even near like our place, there's a.
Yeah.
It's pretty famous, right?
In other cities.
Yeah. And that's like the main entrance of Wanbo Mall. Look at all these beautiful buildings lighting up far down there. Okay. This is so cool. Oh, we can pass by here. K Coffee. Oh, I think K Coffee is for KFC.
Yeah.
Yeah, K Coffee is for KFC. I really don't know why KFC had to do like a coffee thing.
To compete against McDonald's.
Also, McDonald's also has a coffee thing. I don't think.
Mac Cafe.
Oh, Mac Cafe. Wow. Fast food chains. One does one thing and then the others have to basically compete. Whoa. Guys, go to the description and check for the location of this place. Whenever you come to Baoding City, don't get bored. And there are very many people here. This is on a Wednesday night, so you can imagine on a Saturday night, Friday night, and also for foreigners who are coming to Baoding. I just met a couple of foreigners here, many of them. Okay, not very many, but yeah, mostly in this mall that we're in Wanbo. Yeah, this whole area, the downtown area, that's where I found them. So don't get bored and just stay in your hotel or apartment. You can always come here and meet people. This building is for Bank of China. Let me zoom in and show you guys something. Do you see the top? The top of the building, there's a very small circle with a square in between. That's like a symbol for the money that was used here hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Those were the first coins that were being used. If you watch the previous videos in the museum, you'll also see there were some checks from hundreds of years ago or Bank of China. So this whole building is for Bank of China. You can buy flowers for your girlfriend, wife, or ex. From here. Alright guys, so we have to head back because I have to get my ticket. I have to head to the train station back to Beijing. Okay. This looks good. Wanbo. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. This was just for just like a normal city walk around the city of Baoding in Hebei Province of China. I just wanted to show you guys the city, okay? I've seen there's really not many vloggers or anyone who talks about the city, but it's beautiful. I've showed you guys the museums, the shopping malls, places to eat. I've talked about the sports history here, the culture of parks. There's everything. Just check the channel and you'll find so many videos, okay, about this place. So check the locations and come and visit the place, all right? And I'm just standing under a lamp here. All right, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend that, you know what I'm saying, like we're having fun. Things are going crazy. All right, so thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next videos. More content coming, okay? More content. Fire. Ciao.